Model, 67-plate Ford Transit 350 body, white, panel van mileage, 201095 MOT. The 9th of November 2023 engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs perfect. Gearbox intermintely griniding in gears, engine is fine, clutch is all good. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999